Good morning, it is 10 minutes past 5 and Sibin Karahisar is already behind my back. I woke up 4 o'clock, packed everything, left Dimo to sleep because we met yesterday in this town just to spend one night together, and today he is going that direction, I'm going that direction. But because I woke up so early, 4 o'clock, I have got nothing to do, and 5 o'clock I already start. See now this point, just 10 minutes away from the town, the beautiful hills and lake over there, which I'm gonna see after a while. Empty roads, it's around 12-13 degrees, that's why I've got my rain jacket on the top. But yes, it will be another wonderful day. Before the sunrise I already got 40 kilometers. Wonderful, isn't it? This is Duragan. From here I have 120 kilometers to Sinop. So it is time to have a tea drink, relax a bit, and then I can continue. Maybe here. So I just checked online what is the situation in Sinop. I found a few hotels, but over 25-30 euros. So finally I booked one hotel in the countryside. Actually I booked a big tent, like a yurt, and it looks like very beautiful place for 21 euros, and I'm really curious to see what it is. So I might stay even one day more and right in the area. This is Boyabat. Here it says Sinop Samsun, right. Okay. I am exactly here. I came from Boyabat on this road, and this is the main road that is coming from the coast. I'm exactly here, and the hotel that I booked in somewhere in this area. That's why I have a GPS now to show me where exactly I need to go. So it's at 18 kilometers. Okay. The area looks very promising. I really hope that the place will be good. I expect my friend Plumman, mechanic Plumman, and one more friend to come tonight, so I'm gonna book a room for them, the same place, so we can have this wonderful meeting tonight. It will be just perfect. Fantastic area, fantastic. The hotel was advertised like countryside hotel. Ah man, I think that they did it absolutely correct. This is the countryside. See the cows? I look forward. Should be this. finally I've got a place. I've got this cabin here. The price is 20 euros. But perfect. Booked another one for my friends. Undress and wait. These are the cabins. Mine is number 3, named Baran. They have different names and different numbers. I just ate in the restaurant over there. Nice, perfect meatballs with salad and potatoes. Was just fantastic. And the lake is very beautiful. I'm going over there now to film some nice footage and maybe make pictures. And later I wait Plamen, my mechanic Pazzo, and one friend to come here. They'll come probably around 8 or 9, so we're gonna have a nice meeting here, eat something, maybe drink something, and tomorrow we'll continue our trip to Bulgaria. This is the reception and where my motorcycle is parked. They said here is absolutely safe, no problems whatsoever. Actually, it's a big complex. There is a hotel part here as well, a little bit more expensive, a big swimming pool over there. This is the restaurant and also a picnic area if you like to bring your own food and eat on these tables or make barbecue. Oh, really interesting restaurant area. You can see these fires from everywhere, smoke, people making barbecues. I think that I have made the right choice coming here instead of going in small hotel room and just wait for the next day. Here will be fantastic, especially now when Pazzo and Janko come. Oh, fantastic. What a place, huh? Well, it is 5:30. Plamen and Janko arrived last night around 8 o'clock. The restaurant was even open, but before that I just took some food for them. Unfortunately, or fortunately, they don't have any alcohol here, so last night we just ate, talked a bit and went to sleep. So today it's going to be lazy day because they were so tired from yesterday. They need to cover more than 700 kilometers plus the border, which is mean that they left the border at 12 o'clock and they spent the rest of the day just riding to come here. So today we're gonna ride slowly. We plan something like 400 to 500 kilometers. We're gonna see Sinop and Sinop Peninsula, and then we'll ride on the coast road direction Istanbul. But yes, this place is really enjoyable and deserve more time. These are the bikes. Janko KTM 990, my beaten Tenere, and Pazzo's new Tenere. Very beautiful bike. I love it. On this trip every morning I wake up at 4 o'clock, so I cannot change my regime for one day. Oh, 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 oh. Janko, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you.
Yes.
Pazzo still sleep, huh?
Here. Sleep.
Young people need to sleep more, huh? We old people, we don't need that much here.
Yes. No have time.
Kukuriku!
No have time sleep.
We don't have time. We have to see everything. No time.
Clock is
Clicking. A clock is clicking. Yes. Good morning. How are you? I'm like a tour guide showing the lake to everyone who is wake up. Now we are talking, huh?
This is the last breakfast.
The last breakfast.
And go.
This is wonderful. This is actually a very famous Turkish breakfast. For me, this is the second breakfast since I started, because every morning I start at 5 o'clock. So I missed all of this. Yanko said this will be the dinner. Come here, dinner. Are you happy? Are you happy with the breakfast? Ready to go? Let's go to ride.
After half hour.
Half an hour, okay. Let's go to see Sinop, and after that slowly we'll move to direction Bulgaria. We'll see how far we can ride today, how many kilometers we can cover, and we might stop, might not. Let's see. It is worth just to come here, stay in this place and ride around. This will be also just a great pleasure. Now nice, huh? The coastline. This is at the end of Sinop Peninsula. Interesting view, perfect road. What is more interesting, I have a great company. How are you doing, my friend? How are you doing? So this was the hotel right on the pedestrian street. So, Paco, all the best. Good luck on the way to Bulgaria.
Thank you, good luck and be safe.
Yeah, from here they will go to Bulgaria, I will go to Istanbul, and I will also go to Bulgaria tomorrow morning. It is exactly 5:45 and it is 20 degrees. See the sunrise behind me. Yesterday, almost all day, we need to ride against the sun. But today, because I'm going direction west, it's so nice now. 2 hours later, I'm back in the crowded Istanbul. Just need to find the address, and that will be everything for today. I'm not gonna ride anymore. Somehow, I like this madness, but during the week, it is pain in the ass to ride here, honestly. Not because of the accident, because of what it is.
Hello.
Erzincan.
Erzincan.
Erzincan. Tunceli.
Tunceli.
Dersim.
Good morning. 5 o'clock in the morning and see how many people I have just to send me goodbye. What I have to say for Turkey, just wonderful country. Thank you to all of you. Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful people. This family here is just, I don't have any words. Great. They helped me so much. And now they all woke up at 5 o'clock to say me goodbye. I have 500 kilometers more through Varna, and it is 5 o'clock, 25 degrees at 5 o'clock in the morning. If you want to ride in Istanbul without much traffic, do it at 5 o'clock in the morning. It is still not empty, but at least it is not that bad. Bulgarian asphalt is way better, way better. Finally, after more than 11,000 kilometers, more than a month, I'm finally back in my hometown Varna, Bulgaria, safe in one piece. The motorcycle missed a few parts, but I promise to restore it as soon as possible. I'm so glad that I was able to complete this trip with this old machine which was involved in such a heavy crash. It's a big result for me. I'm so happy. Very special thanks to all Turkish guys that helped me to complete the mission, that they gave me the necessary parts. Of course, special thanks to my sponsors, Revit, Monimoto, 21 Brothers, Photosynthesis and Amlas Turkey. And finally, special thanks to every one of you who are watching my videos, follow my channel.